A well-defined content outline ensures clarity and alignment during the content creation process. The content outline serves as a roadmap. It provides you competitors' analysis, information about audiences' needs, tone to be followed. To create a solid content outline using cruise mode, locate Article Writer on your dashboard and click on Create. Add your target keyword. Select the top 10, 20, or 30 URL for content benchmarking and select a location. Click on Start. Enter a brief description related to your topic in the Context section and customize the tone of voice according to your preference. Then, pick a title for your article. You can select from either the titles generated by AI or the top-ranked ones listed on the right panel. You can create a title manually, rephrase an existing one, or generate additional options if necessary. The next step is to build an outline to give your content structure. You can do this by using the Build Outline feature. An automated outline will appear on the left side of your screen, which you can use as is or modify. On the right panel, you can also view top-ranked outlines and questions. The best part? You can customize everything from H2s to H3s, questions, conclusion CTA, etc. You can also generate more content by clicking on AI suggestions or writing it independently. With a well-defined content brief, you can streamline your content creation process and produce high-quality articles that resonate with your target audience. Thanks for watching.